The CT600 is Stromab's flagship machine and is the UK's best-selling automatic angled crosscut saw, with many successful installations and covering many different applications. With the facility for straight and angled cutting, it's got an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees. With its heavy-duty construction and rack and pinion push-feed system, this ensures repeated accuracy. The machine comes standard with a 10 horsepower saw motor and a 600mm diameter saw blade, giving you a large cutting capacity of up to 200mm in depth. It also has vertical and horizontal clamping system, which secures the timber in position. This allows for straight and angled cutting, plus or minus 70 degrees. The machine is fitted with a Beckhoff PC with twin cat automation. With graphic display, this ensures the simple and user-friendly programming. The safety features include a totally enclosed transparent saw hood with electrical interlocked opening. This allows the operator to see what's being done while being fully protected. There is also an emergency pull cord along the full length of the infeed table. As with all the Stromab machines, the design to saw software is available to reduce and improve efficient programming. You can download files directly from the office. The machine is also fitted with a stock length reading camera, which allows for standard or random lengths of timber to be used at any point. If you want to find out more about the Stromab CT600, make an appointment and visit our showroom for a demonstration, or speak to our specialist cross-cutting team.